Here's a beauty for the Mustang fans. Good year too, 1968 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. Yes, true GT package. There is a Marty report on this vehicle. You can see that in the still pictures, and I'll tell you where to check that out here in just a bit. 302 car with a 4-speed manual transmission, candy apple red, standard bench seat car. We'll check out the interior here in just a bit too. Nice restoration on this one. Take a look at the front. Chrome bumper, fog lights. Paint shows well. This one looks as good in person as it does the pictures. Speaking of pictures, we're going to check out that Marty report. See this car top to bottom, inside and out. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Look at how straight these panels are. With those long body lines. And as you can see, paint shows well up and down the car. All right, let's check out that interior a second. There's that standard bench seat. Again, 4-speed on the floor. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. Take a look at those panels from the rear. The iconic rear end of the 68 Mustang. What a beauty. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So that sport deck rear seat. Also would have came with a tack, a trip odometer, chrome style steel wheels. It'll all be in the Marty report. And again, still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Chrome and bright work on the rear, also nice shape. Of course, a GT fuel cap. And then look at the body panels down the driver's side. Pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, scratches that I've noticed. You might find a small imperfection here or there. But overall, this car definitely shows well. Great one for any of your local shows, roll-ins, cruise-ins. Door panels. Of course, you'll also be able to see the door tag or data tag. There's also a picture of the buck tag. It's up underneath the hood. We'll take a peek at that quick when we look at the engine bay after starting it. Check out that 302. Seats, obviously, also in nice condition. This vehicle is within 60 miles of the original DSO also. So I don't think this car has traveled too far. All right, let's fire it up. First of all, wipers did work. Blower fan works. Radio, AM radio worked. You can hear that right there.
Yeah, first station that I worked at.
Again, trip odometer, tachometer. Tach's working, as you can see. That was a cold start, so we'll let this 302 warm up a little bit. Temperature gauge. And then fuel gauge over here showing about half full. Remember, 4-speed manual transmission of that 302. This one sounds nice too, folks. Listen to that. Not gonna lie, I won't mind having this one in my garage. All right, let me pause this a second. Just pop the hood, check out that engine bay. We'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here on the underside of the hood, of course, these are turn signal indicators. There it is. Looking as good as the exterior of the car. 302. What a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Mentioned that buck tag earlier. It's right here. You're going to see that in the still pictures. Nice close-up of it. Don't be afraid to open the hood on this at any car shows. Wow. 1968 Mustang GT Fastback, true GT, candy apple red. Wow, what a nice restoration. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.